Hi guys, and welcome to Python tutorial of how to create an atomic element information program in Python. So I'm going to first of all start by let's import the periodic table itself. So come in here and just type in period. Import the periodic table. And one thing that I'd like to point out is you must have imported, you must have actually installed this periodic table onto your system, else it's not going to work. Okay, so I'm going to start by, first of all, I'm going to define my function, and this function I just call it, let's say, atom, or we can just say atomic. Enter parenthesis, then enter column. Now, I'm going to use a while loop. The reason why I want to use a while loop is so that when whatever number you enter, once the information is given to you, it will prompt you to enter another number. So let's say y is true. Then we want atomic. Let's say atomic underscore number equals in an integer. Let's say input the following. So I'm going to specify that by saying, let's come right here, enter atomic number of elements to search for. Right. Then I'm going to say, or you enter -1 to exit the program. So if you enter -1, the program will automatically get ended. Okay, so enter column in there as well. There we go. Now that that is sorted, so let's come down here and use using a new statement if atomic underscore number equals -1, then that means we need to end the program. So in there we can just say break, enter column. So that we officially exit the system. However, if it's not -1, we can always try by entering that try and say element equals periodic table. Let's copy that instead of typing. Paste that in there. Element equals periodic table and periodic table dot element. Enter square bracket, and this square bracket in there we just enter the atomic number, the variable that you call atomic number. And right underneath here now, I'm now going to print out every single atomic detail. So let's ask the system to print as follows. Let's say to the next line, element information. Good. That's the very first one. We should include the name and so on. The next one is going to be element name and so on. Let's say print. Let's get it formatted. Name, column, and we enter curly braces in there. That's going to be element's name dot name, and I'm just going to repeat the same thing for the others. So and that and add a bracket. Come right down here. Let's get hold of the symbol, repeating exactly the same method. Okay, guys, those are the information that will be printed out for the elements. So we have the name, the symbol, the mass, the atomic, and the density. So the next thing is, let's come down here and let's say accept. So if there's any error, I want you to do as follows. There's a key error there. Now let's ask the system to print out as follows. Print, let's get it formatted, F, and that's going to be, let's just say, element with atomic number not found. And right there, element with an atomic number not found. So we just need to round up the whole process. Now let's say atomic there. Okay, so that is that done now. So I'm going to save that. Click in here, let's say save as periodic table YT. Periodic table YT. And let's run it and see how that's going to work. There we go. It's telling me to now enter an atomic number there. Okay, this one is for, that's the element information, and this happens to be for hydrogen. The symbol H stands for that. The mass is 1.0079, whatever. Then the atomic number is 1. The density is 0.078. And right here, the system is asking me to enter another one. I'm going to enter 9. That's what we get for 9. And 9 happens to be fluorine. Okay, so let's try out 2. 2, there we go. And that is it right there. That's helium. And that's it, guys. So with that, I'm going to call it the end of this brilliant tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it. And please do subscribe to my channel, and you can always join to become a member of the channel. So have a nice day now, and bye for now.